So my mom wanted me to help her make her Easter basket that she's giving to her great-granddaughter, Isla. So stick around and see how we made it. So we are constructing Isla's Easter basket today. So the first thing you want to do is put some paper in the bottom. We have that paper over there, and you just scrunch it up. Then you put your grass, and then you start filling it with everything that you have in the Easter basket. So as me and my mom start putting stuff in and taping it so it doesn't fall over, we will start adding everything and then the candy, and we'll show you how it looks as we go along. So we keep just adding a few things. We added a little jumbo activity book, a Hello Kitty little pocketbook. This is like a color forms type of thing. And this is like that bunny that they have on the internet now that hops and looks like a real bunny. So we still have a lot of stuff plus candy to put in it. So we're just going to keep stuffing in. And then if we feel like anything's going to fall over, like I said, we're just going to tape it to the sides. And yeah, let's keep going. Okay, now we got a couple of little bubbles. And this is real cute. Just little toys that stick onto the table. We have a cute little soft duck here. And this is Melissa and Doug little animal shape. She loves anything with animals. Then there's some sidewalk chalk. So we'll just keep building it up. Got this cute bunny here. Look how cute with the glasses. Now we'll start adding some candy. Have a nice chocolate bunny here. Let's stick him in the front. Let me get rid of this egg. Move that over. Ma, what other candy you got? Peeps. All the Peeps back there. What else?
A couple of them you could see in the pickups.
Isla really doesn't eat candy. My niece does not allow her to. You know, a piece of chocolate every now and then. So that's why this basket is mostly all toys and stuff. Because, like I said, she doesn't allow her child that much candy. So it's almost just about done. We'll see what else we could put in here. We have some... Ma, who's this for?
I was going to go to Zane because there's hardly nothing in his.
Zane, okay. Yeah, so Isla is 2. And so little stuff for her. Zane, what is Zane, 8?
7.
He's 7. He's going to be 8, so can't get him like all little stuff like this. So it's different stuff. And plus he's a boy. Isla's a girl. So we're going to wrap this up with the cellophane, put a pretty bow on it or some ribbon, add a little bit more candy, and that should be about it. And we'll show you how nice it looks at the end. Okay, so we added a few more candies. Where? Oh, look at the little duck chocolate. How cute is that? I love it. And then we added some plastic Easter eggs that have jelly beans in them. And so my mother ended up buying the wrong size cellophane bag to put it in. So I had to cut the bag in half and just do the front and the back. So I couldn't gather it up into a nice thing at the top and then put a bow. And she can't find her Easter ribbon that she bought. So we have this just gold bow I put on the top. But yeah, so it didn't come out too bad. Not how I wanted it to because of the cellophane bag wasn't big enough, but it's cute. Isla is going to love it. And mostly everything in the basket either came from Walmart, CVS, $5 and below. Where else did she say? And the Dollar Tree. So yeah, you can make a beautiful basket for a child very inexpensively with just stuff from those stores. All right, guys, have a good day. I hope you like this video and stay tuned because the next video is how I am making another Easter decor for my mom's house. If you're new here, please hit that subscription button. Please hit the notification bell so you know when my next video comes up. And everybody have a great day and have a good weekend. Bye.